to people.
Mhm.
Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make orange juice.
What was the other thing you called it?
And I'm going to show you how to make cutie juice. So this is a cutie, and I'm going to start peeling it and pour it into this bowl. So, and then once actually I'm not going to put it into the bowl. I'm going to put it into here and then squeeze it. So, let's get started. Someone made it thumbs up. I can't believe it. I'm an epic star.
You're a what?
Epic star.
A what? An epic?
Uh-huh.
Oh, good. Made me nervous. I thought you said something else. Watch out.
Almost
Billy.
done. And Billy. Mom, at least Billy, listens when we say Billy. She knows. She looks at us. Hi, Billy. Billy.
You didn't listen to anything else.
Well, yeah. But she also listens when we say Billy, and when we say Billy, come outside. Okay, it's all done. And this is what it looks like when it's done. Okay. Wait, who else?
Oh, that's Miss Trisha I just saw pop on.
Ooh, Miss Trisha! Hi, Miss Trisha. Blech, this is real hard. Okay, got it. So now I have an orange. Wait, who's it?
Miss Trisha, she said hi.
I see someone else. Who's that?
Miss Kristen
Wait.
and Miss Dolly.
Oh yeah, I did see that. So
So now you have people to talk to.
I'm
There's other people on there. I just didn't see who they
I'm
were.
placing it in. Paste in. So now I'm going to put it in. Are you ready? Squeeze. Squeeze it. You have to squeeze it very hard, and it would come out.
Brenna said hi.
Hi, Brenna. Well, this is really how you make orange juice. Nothing.
Oh, there's Nanny. Look, that says hi, hey. And then what does it say after hey?
Wiley.
Yes, that's Nanny.
Nanny. And I'm going to take another one and place it in. Get in there, orange. This is what doesn't want to go in. So, now that time it was like the orange would not go in. I guess it was too big or it stuck with two.
Oh, really?
I couldn't really see that one. Oh, good.
So what do you do with that stuff? You just throw it to the side?
Yeah. So like when you have stuff that you don't like, you just throw it to the side. Okay. Da, 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 da. And I can also help you make it. I'm an expert on doing this. I see. Who's that? Who's that?
That's Miss Jennifer. That's who we said would like the eggnog. The almond eggnog we just drank.
Oh. I'm still making orange juice.
Alright.
Miss Trisha said cute jammies.
Thanks.
Thanks, Miss Trisha.
Now, are you making enough orange juice for all of us?
I'm trying to. That's exactly what I'm trying to do.
I wonder how many do you think we would need?
Rena, Miss Trisha, Riley, Aiden, Nolan, Mommy, Daddy. That's it.
Well, Nanny was on there. What about
And
Nanny?
Nanny. And Mr. Garrett.
Oh, and Mr. Garrett.
Grandma and Grandpa, and that's it.
Oh my gosh, Grandma and Grandpa.
And that's it.
That's 11 people.
And Nanny.
You already counted Nanny.
Okay, well, it's still Nanny.
Grandma and Grandpa are watching?
Nanny is. Nanny's watching. I know she is because I saw her.
Look at all those hearts.
Oh, geez.
That's for Miss Trisha. And look, Nanny put, that's right, and Nanny. Can't leave Nanny out. She said she counts twice.
Mom, can you peel it? Like, peel all of them one at a time?
Oh yeah, I'll be your helper. You just tell me what to do.
Let's peel it.
Maybe you should give it a taste test and let them know how.
I did already. I did it on my first try.
I know, but this is your cooking show now, so you gotta do it again.
Oh, okay.
And you're like,
Well, Dad tasted it, you tasted it, I tasted it.
was it good?
Yeah.
I thought it was good.
Dad, get that out of my way. That is not scary anyway. No, don't put that in my hair.
No, they were my earrings.
No, I have Santa earrings. If you know that, I wore them to school.
Did your teachers like them?
Yeah? Well, actually, they didn't even see it.
Oh, they didn't?
Well, actually, Miss Stephanie saw it. Because I brought it to Miss Stephanie, and I said, my earring fell out. Because it really fell out. But when the back falls out, then I can really, put the back in.
And what did Miss Stephanie say when you told her that?
Nothing. She just put it back in.
Oh, look, Miss Teresa said, you're a great cooking host. And Nanny said, awesome earrings. And now Miss Shelby's on.
Mama, can you peel them down?
Oh, yeah.
I only have, a little bit. Hallelujah! I'm good.
Are you losing it?
Yeah, that's exactly what's happening.
What do you do with the sticker that was on the orange?
Just throw it.
There's Miss Jolene.
Throw it on the phone. Hey guys, do you want to know where my elf is? I'll show you.
Wait.
Unplug it.
No, you gotta leave it plugged in because...
Can you open it?
Yeah. Wait, turn it around.
In 3, 2, 1. His name is Elfie. Say, hi, Elfie. Hi, Elfie. See? Mom, who's that?
That's Miss Sarah and Miss Kelly.
Buddy.
Well, I mean, I'm your cameraman. I'm your orange peeler. When do we get to try the cutie juice?
After it's done, after I'm done making that juice.
Well, how many of these are we going to peel and make?
I don't know.
You keep inviting people to drink this juice and...
Maybe that much?
Holy moly.
That's probably going to take 3.
3? Oh, Miss Kelly said, hi, Riley.
Hi, Miss Kelly. Wait, Miss Kelly? Miss Kelly is so close. She's just one house away.
She is.
If Miss Nina was watching, then she would be really happy.
If Miss Nina's watching, she might come knock on our door asking for some juice.
So, no. And Miss Kelly.
Oh, Miss Trisha said her elf's name is Elfie, too.
Yeah, that's the same one. Brittany told me already.
Well, it's not the same one, because this same elf. And Miss Danielle said her daughter Finley loved seeing your elf. And Miss Kelly said, you are so cute. Who are you talking to, Miss Kelly?
I forgot.
You think she's talking to me or you?
I'm not looking at the camera anymore. I'm focusing on doing this orange juice. I'm trying to make it really good. And it's bedtime, and I go to bed at 8. So,
Well, it's 8:17.
yeah. It's not just plain 8. So,
Yeah, it's not just plain 8.
yeah, plain 8 is when I have to go to bedtime.
Well, it's past your bedtime.
Well, I'm still making this, so blah, blah, blah. Who cares? I don't even like going to bed. Only when my TV's on, I like to go to bed.
Yeah, but you're not supposed to sleep with your TV on.
Yeah, I am. Okay,
Well,
can
you're
we
not.
Can we just quit talking about that?
About going to bed?
Yeah.
Alright, well, you gotta wrap this up.
I'm trying to go as fast as I can.
Oh, look! It's Miss Stephanie!
Please.
She said, what you making? And can you bring some to school tomorrow?
I think I can. I think I can bring some in the bowl to my class.
They're asking, what are you making? Because they just jumped on, so you gotta tell them.
Miss Stephanie, I am making orange juice. Or as I like to call it, cutie juice.
Alright. We're gonna end this because you gotta get to bed.
I'm trying to go as fast as I can.
Or you're gonna be a crab tomorrow for Miss Stephanie.
I'm trying to go as fast as I can.
Alright. So, let me get you a cup to pour this in.
Yeah, Miss Stephanie might want to. Yeah. That is. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, guys. In 3, 2, 1. That's how much orange juice I made.
So that was 2 oranges.
That is 2 oranges.
But now you have 12 people because you got to bring it to Miss Stephanie too. So,
Ew, it's got on my nose.
all right, how does it taste?
Good.
Let me taste. That's delicious. Nolan, you want to come taste her orange juice?
Taste. You
No?
try.
You don't want any. All right, tell them good night.
Good night.
Time to brush your teeth.
Miss
Oh,
Stephanie.
Miss Stephanie said just send a picture.
Oh, just
Because since that was 2 oranges that took that long, we'll have to make her some a different time.
I got an idea. Maybe tomorrow we can make some more. Like
Okay.
we can come back to our cup and get it from out of the fridge and then make some more.
Yeah, we'll make her some and bring it to school
Yeah,
on
this
Monday.
is our orange juice cup.
And then you'll have to make some for Miss Denise too. 'Cause you,
Okay.
all right.
I
Sounds
think
good.
I can make like 2 cups full. Bye bye.
Yeah. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.